girl. Hey, welcome to PJ's World. Today, y'all, I'm making something. I've never made this before, so hopefully it turns out good. If not, then hey, I'm gonna keep it G with y'all and I'll let you know. If it's nasty, it's nasty. I doubt if it'll be nasty. It'll probably be anywhere between good, really good, and great. So if it's just good, you know, I'll let you know. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. But I'm making surf and turf burritos. So it should be really good. You know, we got our little steak, a little shrimp, and I think it'll be good. But we're gonna walk through this together. You know, I'm not really sure all the way what I'll use to season it. I have an idea, but you know, we're just gonna go through this together. Okay, so let me show y'all what you'll need to make this surf and turf burrito, honey. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so this is what you'll need. So as you can see, I have my seasonings right here. There's my olive oil, seasoned salt, lemon pepper, parsley, garlic powder, some Tony's Creole seasoning. Not even sure if I'll use all those, but that's what we got so far. Lime, there's the steak, there's the shrimp. I have some bell peppers, some onions, and some mushrooms. And then I have the cheeses. I'm not sure if I'll use all of these or just a few. I have Gouda, mozzarella, and some mild cheddar, and then I have some shredded lettuce over there. All right, so we'll get started on the little stir fry first. First, I'm just going to squeeze me some lime juice all over this. Okay, squeeze your little lime, just like that right there. Okay, and next I'm going to add me some garlic powder. Okay, then I'll add a little Tony's Creole seasoning. Okay, and a little bit of seasoned salt. Some parsley. And like I said before, y'all, parsley does absolutely nothing. It just makes it look cute. That's all it do. And a little black pepper. That lime juice smells so good, y'all. I'm gonna add just a little bit more. It smells so good. All right, now we're going to go ahead and season our little shrimp. So I'm gonna start off with some lemon pepper. I'm putting some garlic powder on the shrimp as well. Just like that. And some seasoned salt. A little bit of that, and we're gonna mix all that in. Oh, let me not forget the parsley. Hold on. There we go, we in the game. Okay, sprinkle your little parsley. This is optional. If you wanna waste money and get some parsley, something that has no flavor at all, but that may make your food look a little bit cuter, then get this. But if you don't believe in wasting money, don't buy the junk, because it don't do nothing. All right, then I'm just gonna mix this around, make sure all of my shrimp are seasoned well. You know, I like my flavor, y'all. All right, so now what we're going to do is go ahead and put all of our vegetables in our little skillet, okay? So first I wanna pour some olive oil in there. Let me let y'all see what I'm doing. All right, so first we need olive oil, okay? So pour you a good little amount in there. I have quite a few veggies. All right, so I have it on a medium to high heat, and I don't want to cook these for too long. I just want to saute these vegetables for a little while so they're not so crunchy in my burrito. I don't want any, you know, raw crunchy veggies. So there's my bell peppers. We have some onions, some yummy mushrooms. All right, so that's all our veggies. They smell good too, y'all. But oh, and look how pretty they look. It's so bright. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt on my veggies. Not too much, just a little bit. Look, if you don't want the steak and the shrimp, you can just eat this. This might not taste too bad. Sprinkle some cheese on these veggies, honey. There's our veggies. They're sauteed. Now they're nice and soft, not too crunchy anymore, you know what I'm talking about? So now we're going to put our steak in there, okay? I still have some olive oil in there from my vegetables that I just sauteed, so we're gonna use that same oil with all the onion and bell pepper and mushroom flavor, and we're just gonna dump this in the skillet, okay? We're gonna put this on like a medium heat. Flip this in like 1 minute, because it's really thin, y'all. So you don't have to cook it on one side for a long time. It's super, super thin. If you need to add more oil, maybe if you didn't have a lot of oil when you sauteed your vegetables, then of course you can add some more. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. But I had quite a bit of oil when I sauteed those vegetables, so I shouldn't have to add any. Okay, go ahead and flip these over. Oh, y'all, it smells so good. It really smells like, let me see what restaurant does it smell like I'm at right now. I don't know. Try to smell like I'm at my own restaurant. I don't think no restaurant good enough to smell like this. Cause baby. Okay, so as you can see, these are nice and brown. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out, and then we'll get started on our shrimp. Now we're gonna go ahead and cook the shrimp. Put you a little butter in the skillet. Let that melt. Put it on a medium heat. Okay, so now that that butter is melted, we're gonna add the shrimp in. Ooh, now the shrimp really smells good, y'all. Lord have mercy. If y'all can smell this, y'all will be kicking my door down. All right, and that's the shrimp. These are all done now. So all we got to do now is just put this beautiful burrito together. Okay, so now that everything is done, we're about to make this burrito nice and full, and we'll be able to eat it. So here is my surf and turf burrito. Y'all see my shrimp, you see my steak, you see my bell pepper, my little rice in there, all that. Don't it look good, y'all? Okay, so now I'm about to do a little taste test with my burrito. Here's mine. I'm just gonna dip it in some of my sour cream right here. I love sour cream, y'all. And let's see. That's really good, y'all. The shrimp with the steak, I had a little both in that bite. That is so good. Let me do one more bite for y'all. I'll share with y'all, I guess. Y'all want sour cream on it? I'll give y'all a little sour cream. There you go. Woo! Y'all see that? Look at that juicy shrimp that's sitting there. That was my first time doing a surf and turf burrito, but let me tell you, it will not be the last. So you don't need much. Make sure you get your little tortillas, all that good stuff, lettuce, whatever you want on yours, black beans, you know, have fun with it. Put whatever you like, throw it in there. You can't mess it up. I mean, you can, but it's pretty hard to do that. So let me know if you make this. Thanks to everybody that's already liked, followed, subscribed over at YouTube, all of that. I appreciate y'all. Thank you for watching, and goodbye. If you try it out, let me know. Let me know how it turned out for you. And you know, of course, you can always put your own little spin on it too. You know what I'm talking about?